South Pacific, there's a legend that's been passed down of a crusty pirate and his loyal parrot, and a treasure that's never been found. No X marks the spot, no map was made, a secret that's only been told. From a pirate to a parrot, with his very last breath, he whispered where he buried his gold. The rum flowed freely on a Saturday night in a little bar in Ponape. His beak started flapping and they all leaned in hopes that he'd give it away. 17 years on my best friend's shoulder, I heard every story he told. You can ask about the treasure, you can pull out my feathers, but I'll never give up his gold. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. Between the swords and the rum and the angry pirates, the bird could not be saved. But the pirate's secret was kept that night, the parrot carried it to his grave. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. 17 years on his best friend's shoulder, he heard every story he told. You could ask about the treasure, you could pull out his feathers, but he never gave up his gold. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. On a tropical island in the South Pacific, near a place called Jeff's Pirate Cove, lies a fabulous treasure and an unmarked grave somewhere in the coconut grove. Dead parrot, dead parrot, dead parrot, Cove. 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 Dead parrot.